you are new to Python and do not know how to start Python and run first code, in this video I will show. So let us start step by step. Step 1. Install Python. First open your browser and go to official website python.org. Download the latest version of the Python. Then click on install and wait for the installation to complete. You will check it and write this line. As you can see, Python is ready on our system. Step 2. Install Jupyter Notebook. To install Jupyter Notebook, type this following command, press enter and wait for the installation to finish. So then type Jupyter Notebook. Your browser will open automatically. And step 3. Click on new, select Python 3. Now let us write our first code. In next video we will learn